Welcome back, guys, to the Real Fish Hunter. Today we have the Monsterbass May box. Let's go ahead and take a look inside of it. Alright, we have a Chase Baits Weedless Vibe Snorter. It's in color pink. Pretty excited to actually get to try these. I don't do much of these, but pretty excited. We have a Lunker Hunt Kraken, 1/2 ounce. Bait blade in black and blue. We have KVD 6.5 inch finesse worms. They are in coffee and salt scent. Then we have Rapid Baits in Rapid Crawl. They are the Monster Red. We have a Booyah Squilcher in 3/8 ounce. Love these things. We have a Crankbait by B8 Lab. I have not seen on here where it tells me how deep it goes, but you know, crankbaits are always good. We do have some worm hooks, 2/0, 3/0, and a 4/0. And then we have Flippin' Jig by Stanley Jigs. It says they're hand tied. That is a 3/16 ounce. And then last but not least, we got a Monsterbass sticker. Just like everybody else's videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that like button or hit that dislike button so that I know how I did. Thank you.